Aaron feels like his insurance company is being disloyal based on the way they're treating him, and I want you to tell me if you agree. We'll be discussing that on today's Denial of the Day. So Aaron writes into us, after being with the insurance company for over 40 years, I was denied a roof replacement on commercial property. I was only offered repairs. Well, let's talk about that here in a second. After my deductible of $10,000, it wasn't eligible for them to repair. Insurance company, in my opinion, is an insurance company that is very disloyal to their customers. It is obvious that because of the increase in severe storm activities, our properties will be damaged again. Insurance company made me regret that I am with them. Think twice about being their customer. So, we hear this a lot. Sometimes maybe the insurance company is right. What? Who knew? Sometimes the insured is right, but there's a way to establish and prove the claim, and based on your insurance policy, writing up an estimate for what is covered, what might be excluded, things like that, and there is a process. This unfortunately has become a game with the insurance companies, and if you know how to do it like we do, Bellator Claims, then you can win that game, and we win 97% of the time with a drastic increase, right? But the thing that I want you to understand is you have to know what your insurance policy says and how to meet your duties after the loss. You as the insured have duties that are required to be met. And if you don't do that, you can't really expect the insurance company to do what they're supposed to do, because you have an obligation as well as they do within that insurance policy. I know, insurance policies are boring as shit. Nobody wants to read them, including me. Just kidding. I actually kind of like reading them because I'm a nerd. But I will tell you this. I get the fact that most people hate reading it. It's confusing. It says, on page 7, read page 4, section E, and then section E goes, read page 6, section D. And so it's just like all over the place. I get that. They're confusing. They suck to read. But you must, if you want to win the game of insurance claims, you must read your insurance policy, and you have to understand that. And that's what we do for you, Bellator Claims. We will review your policy, look at the damage, compare the two, write up an estimate that's related to that with legitimate and reasonable line items to get the insurance company to pay that claim by proving the damage, by proving the claim, and then the insurance company gets to come out and say yes or no. And we're very good at getting them to say yes because of how our proprietary Bellator blueprint is used in our claims handling. And that's a big deal. Our claims manager, Chris, is awesome, knows exactly what to do, how to pull the levers to get the right outcome. Obviously, we don't win every single time, but we win the vast majority of the time for our clients. So if you have an insurance claim for your property, if it's commercial, residential, industrial, if it's a municipality or a school district, contact us today if the insurance company is not fully and fairly paying that claim and you want us to review. We've had some major victories in all sorts of different realms of insurance claims, and we can win for you too. We will help you win your claim. Contact us at bellatorclaims.com. Let us see what we can do to help you out and prove that you want to work with us over anybody else. bellatorclaims.com.